Good morning, Mr. Jin. What's fresh today?
Good morning, Clara. Just brought in these beautiful ocean sunfish.
Hey, look, they look perfect. Very shiny.
Caught just before dawn. The best of the catch.
I'll take 2. They'll be wonderful for the restaurant.
Excellent. The guests will love them.
I'm sure they will. What's the price today?
10 gold coins for the pair.
Here you are. Thank you, Mr. Jin.
My pleasure, Clara. See you tomorrow.
Dear Auntie, the city is lovely.
Mail delivery.
Oh, Mr. Kenji, good morning.
Good morning, Miss Hana. A letter for you.
Thank you. And I have one for Auntie.
Off to the countryside, then.
Yes, she loves hearing about the city.
A thoughtful gesture. Old ways are best sometimes.
I agree. Have a good day, Mr. Kenji.
You too, Miss Hana. Happy writing.
Please, help yourself, Ben. There's plenty tonight.
It looks absolutely delicious, Anya.
I hope you like the mushroom stew. It's my grandmother's recipe.
It's incredible. So rich and flavorful.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Have some more bread.
Thank you, I will. This is truly a feast.
Good company makes any meal a feast.
You're right. It's wonderful to share it with you.
It's always a pleasure to have you.
Thank you for your kindness, Anya.
Miss Lena, which herbs are best for a calming tea?
This is Dreamleaf. Very good for sleep.
Dreamleaf. And what about for headaches?
For headaches, use sun-kissed mint, freshly picked.
Sun-kissed mint. Got it.
Remember, Sarah, the best herbs are picked with respect.
I always try to. Do you have any blooming today?
The twilight jasmine. Its scent is exquisite.
How lovely. I'll pick some carefully.
Good. The garden gives generously.
Mr. Leo, did you see that one? A crested skylark.
Indeed, Nina. Magnificently rare.
Its song is so melodious. What are its habits?
They only nest in the highest whisperweed.
Fascinating. I'll add that to the log.
Good. Every detail helps protect them.
The meadows are so vibrant today.
They truly are. Nature is always full of surprises.
And you always find them.
With patience and a keen eye.